Hey guys, in this video I'll show you how to add a video background in Framer. I'll also make it autoplay when you scroll through the page. I'll show you how to do that. The first thing I want you to do is come at the top left, click on this plus icon. You'll get this drop down menu, and here under element, hover over media and drag and drop this video icon, okay? We'll put it right here. Now, first we need to select the video. I'll show you how to resize this later on. So here on the right-hand panel, you'll see the properties, right? And under video, we can choose the source. So change this to upload and then click here on choose file. Now we'll go ahead and select the file. Let's do this one right here. So I'll click on that, click on open, and the video is being uploaded, as you can see. And now we shall go ahead and resize this. So come here, the right hand panel, scroll up, and where you see fix, we can change this to fit content. Okay, and width, we can change this to relative. And now let's go ahead and resize this. Okay, so I'm holding shift while I resize. There we go. And then I'll bring it here to the top and I'll resize it again, as you can see. And now I'll show you how to make this auto playable. Okay, as you can see, it has reframed itself. Now, here on the right hand panel again, scroll down until you are on the video section. So here playing, make sure it is toggled on so it will auto play. Okay, and here, as you can see, we must make sure it's not muted. So click here on no. If you want controls, you can click on show, but I'll keep it without controls because I just want it as a video background. You can set the volume, but otherwise just come here and let's go ahead and preview this page. In this video, I'll show you how to add a carousel. As you can see, it works, and it's really that easy to add a video background in Framer.